Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Papa Louie games. These fun time management games challenge you to run a successful food establishment. You'll learn to take customer orders, cook delicious food, and serve it with a smile. We'll cover the core mechanics, from understanding customer preferences to mastering each cooking station. Get ready to become a top chef and earn fantastic tips in your very own virtual restaurant. Taking accurate orders is your first crucial step to success. Each customer has unique preferences, so carefully observe their requests on the order ticket. This ticket is your guide, detailing every ingredient and cooking instruction. Precision in customization, like adding exactly 3 pickles or 2 slices of cheese, directly impacts customer happiness and the size of your tip. Get it right, and your customers will be delighted. Now, let's get cooking. You'll manage several stations, from the grill and fryer to the build station. Timing is everything. Cook items for the perfect duration, ensuring they are neither burnt nor raw. For example, a burger might need 20 seconds per side. Then, carefully assemble the dish, placing ingredients in the exact sequence shown on the ticket. A well-built dish looks great and tastes even better. The final step is serving your culinary creations to eager customers. Present their order quickly and observe their reactions. Happy customers mean bigger tips. Your performance is rated on accuracy, cooking time, and presentation. Aim for a perfect score to maximize your earnings. With enough tips, you can unlock exciting upgrades for your restaurant, like new equipment or decorations, helping you serve even more patrons and grow your business.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.